The automatic transfer switch from Larson Electronics is ideal for managing electrical loads between two sources in industrial facilities. This 1200 amp 600 volt 3-phase 4-wire controller handles timing, sensing, exercise functions, and transfer commands. This automatic transfer switch offers accurate control of electrical power and loads in locations where a backup generator or energy management system is installed. This unit is housed in a NEMA 3R enclosure. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.